In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Pipedrive. This is a quick but really important task, especially if you're updating your security or you think your account details may have been shared. Let's get started right from your Pipedrive dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, your photo, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open a small menu. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive keeps most of the settings related to your individual account, rather than organization-wide settings. Click on Personal Preferences to open that page. On the Personal Preferences page, you'll see a few different sections in the sidebar or across the top, depending on your layout. Look for the section called Password and Login. This is the area dedicated to everything related to how you sign in. Click on Password and Login to move into the password settings. Here, you'll be asked to verify your identity by entering your current password. This is an important security step that makes sure only you, as the account owner, can change the password. Carefully type your current password into the field provided. If you're not sure you typed it correctly, you can use the Show or Hide icon, if available, to double-check before continuing. Next, you'll see fields to create your new password and to confirm it. In the New Password field, enter the password you want to start using. Try to choose something strong and unique, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess, like simple words or common dates. Then, in the Confirm field, type the exact same new password again. This confirmation step helps catch any typing errors before the change is saved. Once your current password, new password, and confirmation are all filled in and everything looks correct, you're ready to apply the change. Click the button labeled Change Password. Pipedrive will process your request and, if everything was entered correctly, your password will be updated. From this point on, remember to use your new password the next time you log into Pipedrive and consider storing it safely in a password manager so you don't lose access.